Back to Colossals Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Alright, in today's class we'll be talking about the bar charts. In the last video I talked about the pie charts and told you the necessary things you need to know. It's all about representing information. So we have another one which is called the bar chart. Now, what is the bar chart? A bar chart is another way of representing data, and they are always in what? In rectangular bars. I see that they are always in what? In rectangular bars. So they said these bars are drawn in length proportional. They are drawn in what? In length proportional to the what? To the magnitude of the number they represent. And another thing is, for data to be presented in bar charts, suitable scale must be chosen. That means if you want to put a bar chart on a graph, you must choose a scale. I guess I'm saying, like 2 centimeter represent 5 units, 2 centimeter represent 10 units, and the likes. All right. So another thing is, bar chart can be classified into 4 parts. Bar chart can be classified into 4 parts. The number one is the what? Is the simple bar chart. 3 parts rather. The number one is the simple bar chart. The number 2 is multiple bar chart, and the number 3 is the component bar chart. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is the what now? This is the third one. So those are the 3 types of bar charts that we have. The first one is the simple bar chart. The second is the what? Multiple bar chart, and the third is the what? Component bar chart. All right. So now talking about the simple bar chart. Now, the simple bar chart, by using the information below to construct a simple bar chart. Now, a simple bar chart is the one that most of us usually use. All right. So if you look at the diagram I have here now, you see, look at this. You see, simple bar chart showing the population of English-speaking country in West Africa. English-speaking country in West Africa. Can you see this now? So this is the number. These are the what? This is the number, or you can call it the frequency, and this is like your data. Do you understand that now? This is like the name of country, and this is the what? This part is the what? Is the population. Do you see that now? So that is one thing that you should also know about a simple bar chart. You can see how simple this is. Just draw the scale of the number of Gambians. Draw the scale of the number of Gambians, which is 20,000. I seen that now. Then for Ghana, you can see that there is a space, and you see that the length here, the length between this is the same thing as the length between this. Yes, that's also another thing you must know. The lengths are always the same. I guess I'm saying it is only the height that will be different because of the what? Of the frequency. Do you understand that now? So for Gambia now, Gambia is 20,000. Can you see that now? 20,000. Ghana is what? 30,000. Nigeria is 40,000, and Sierra Leone is what? 10,000. So this is an example of a what? Of a simple bar chart. All right. So now we're talking about the component bar chart. The component bar chart is what? It's a diagrammatical representation in which each bar is subdivided. Can you see this one now? Each bar is subdivided. If you look at this now, you can see that there is no division. We did not divide this bar. That is why it is called a simple bar chart. There is no division here. There are no divisions in this particular bar chart that we are. That is why it is called a simple bar chart. But now, look at an example. They say, for example, number of boys and girls in SS1 to SS3 in a school is given in the table below. Now, look at this example. We have this. So we have this. Number of boys in SS1 is 70. Number of girls in SS1 is 55. SS3 is 50, 65. SS3 is 35, 45. Now look at the component bar chart. Now this is what the component bar chart says. Now you can see this is the number of students. This is SS1 now. Can you see now? So we are drawing a scale for it, and I'll give what is it called? A meaning to it. That is, boys should be the darker black, and girls should be the gray. Are you seeing that now? So we can see that this now. So we have it here on the bar chart. You can see the line here like this. You can see the line that represents the classes. This is SS1, SS2, SS3. So in SS1 we have what? 70 boys. Can you see? And what now? 55 girls. Do you understand? SS2 50 boys, then on top of it 65 girls. Now what do you notice? Can you notice that the heights differs? Do you notice that the height differs? Yes, that's also another thing you should know. Look at this is 70. You can see that 70 is more taller than 55. Can you see? And this is what 50. And you can see that 50 is also was shorter than what 65. And you can see 70 plus 65, 70 plus 55 is what 125. You can see it is taller than 65 plus, in this is 115. You can see that at the edge this is taller than this. Do you understand that now? Sorry about that. So for SS3 you can see 35. You can see the height too compared to 50. Can you see the height compared to 50, that it is smaller? Compared to 70 it is also smaller. 50 compared to 70 is smaller. And you can see 45. So that is why we call it a what? A component. I guess I'm saying it is having another thing apart from the usual. But if it is single like this, if it is single like what I have here, then it is a what? It is a simple bar chart. All right, so simple bar chart is always dealing with one data, while component bar chart deals with more data. All right, now let's talk about the multiple bar charts. Now they say this is a situation where two or more variables are presented in a chart side by side to show, not slow, to show their relationship, to show the relationship between them. We can draw multiple bar charts with the information of the following, or we can draw a bar chart with the information of the value of 3 brands of soft drink sold by supermarket for 5 months as shown below. Now look at this. Now in January we have Fanta. Okay, so we have January, February, we have January, February, March, April and May. All right, so we have Fanta, Sprite and Pepsi. So these are the numbers you can see in January. So this one now, you have a chart. You have January, February, March, April, May. What's the list number here? The list number here is 30 and the highest number here is what? 60. All right, so we're gonna underline here the frequency part. We're gonna have from 30 to 70 or 60, any way you want it. Then on the other line, you can see why we said it is a multiple, because if you look at this now, if you look at this part now, this is a what? This is where the frequency can be. I get something, and this is where the months will be. So for us to draw the multiple chart, you can see in January, how many Fanta do we have? 50 Fantas. I see. How many Sprites? 48. So in here you can write, if you are putting it on a graph with your color, you will say that let Fanta, I get what I'm saying. You can say Fanta is blue. You can say Fanta is the what? Is the blue. Can you see that? And then what's next on? Sprite is red. Sprite is what? Red. And then what's it called next? Pepsi is what? Pepsi is green. Are you seeing that now? So that is how we do this. So you can see the presentation of data using what we have here, using the information we have. So this is what you have to understand when we talk about the bar charts. All right, so in the next video I'll be talking about the mean, median and mode of grouped and ungrouped data. All right, so make sure you subscribe, like and share this video, and don't forget to study for your exam, as that is fast approaching. Thank you very much and do have a great day. All right.